Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys this super cute design with Valentine's coming up. I found this XOXO in images, but what I did was I actually wanted to use this pattern right here on a white t-shirt. But if you notice, once we put it on there, the white just kind of washes out. It's really hard to tell what the pattern is. And that's what we come across a lot of the times when you're using patterns. If you use it with that same color or similar color, it'll kind of wash itself out. So this is what I did. I took the XOXO and then I shrunk this down so that way we have it right on top, and then it gives us that little bit of pop. And it just makes it super cute. So what we used was blush pink. So this is Cricut Everyday Iron-On in blush pink. And then this is the Hello Kitty. I'll have this one linked down below. It comes with like 3 different designs. And this is one of them. It just reminds me of like little bubblegum drops there. It's really cute. So we thought it would be very adorable for Valentine's. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do this design. So you can go over it just like this to try to get it centered. Or you can kind of offset it just a little bit like this, would be really cute. So there's tons of different ways. You can come in this direction, whichever way you want to, kind of like this or like this. Come down a little bit. But I kind of like it off-centered like this is really, really cute. So I do like that one, and then I like it like this. So we're going to do it like this. That way it just kind of has that little bit of shadow to kind of help those pops. Hopefully you guys can see now that it's not washing out into the t-shirt, which I'll bring it up here in just a little bit so you guys can see that final design. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is pull out any moisture that's in the shirt. I already have the temperature set at 315 for 30 seconds. That's the temperature for the Everyday Iron-On. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull out the moisture. And today I'm gonna be using that 6x7. So we'll have to press this in a couple different presses. All right. We'll let that cool back down just a little bit. And in the meantime, we'll figure out our placements. I'm going to take my Cricut ruler here and find my placements. I'm just going to center this. And everything that I am using will be linked down below. All right, so there we go. So we've got our placement. So the next thing that we need to do is fold this design in half so we can find that center. And then I know that it goes right here. I'm just gonna make sure that's straight. Looks good. So I can move this out of the way. And this is 10 inches, and then I think this landed about 5.5. So I just put in 10 inches, and whatever this landed, that's what I had. But this file will be linked down below. You can also find it on Pinterest and on my Facebook page. All right, so what we're going to do is, I'll be able to do it in 2 presses. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm only going to go about 10 to 15 seconds because we have one more layer to go. All right, so we'll move over for the other 15 seconds. All right, so we're going to let this cool down because we didn't go the full 30 seconds. We don't want to peel it. For one, it's a warm peel, not a hot peel. We've discussed that. But because we didn't go the full 30 seconds, we definitely want to let it cool down. You can use something that's cold, like a stone, a glass, something like that to cool it down, and then go ahead and peel it. If you try to peel it too fast, you're going to mess up your vinyl. Now keep in mind, if you don't go the full temperature, this is not completely set. All right, so now what we need to do for the pattern is we're going to bump that up. And the way to find out your temperatures, what you simply need to do is go to Cricut's heat guide. I'll have it linked down below. And from here, you can choose your settings. So I chose pattern iron-on, 100% cotton, easy press mat. I hit apply, and we got 340 for 30 seconds. So that's where I got my temperature. And this will be a cold peel. So I'm going to jump this up to 340. So now we're heated up and ready to go, but I want to go and show you while we try to get down our pattern. I showed you guys this one the other day. I'll have both of these linked down below. You can get this one at Staples, and I got this one on Amazon. So this one right here looks like a donut. It's super cute, and it's made by Scotch. I found it on Amazon. What I love about this one is you can lay it flat. It looks really cute. It was only a couple dollars, and I was able to fit my Cricut heat resistant tape in there. So what's really cool is it folds in like this, and the tape sticks to it like that. So as soon as you unfold it, the tape's ready to go. So if you fold it in, it shuts, and then you pop this, and I don't have to find my tape or anything. It just pops it out. So I'm loving this one as well. So this did fit in here also. It was a little bit tighter, so don't try to squeeze it here. Actually hold from the top and get that tape. And then this was another one, another tape dispenser I love. So you can attach this to the side of your table, and you can turn it however you want to. And you can also flip it upside down on your table, so this sets underneath for storage. But this one is a really nice one as well. So these are a couple different ones that are fun. On Amazon, I'll have it linked down below, but there is a ton of different designs. I can't remember what all they were, but I love this, and it's like cute decor on my desk. All right, so what you want to do when you work with pattern is you do not have stick on this part. So you're definitely going to want to use some heat resistant tape so this does not shift. And I'm kind of thinking if I want to move this or not. I don't know. Maybe I should keep it. Okay. We'll just stay like this. So I want to center this. Get it all lined back up where it goes. I want to point out that if you're struggling to line this back up, so I have this where it should perfectly line like this, but sometimes once you apply your heat, it's almost like it expands or shrinks, and then it seems like this doesn't line back where you want it to be. So if you tired of fussing with it, you've messed with it and you've messed with it, and it's not, like say these are lining up, but it's not lining up on this one, don't be afraid to cut those apart. So simply just cut them apart, and then just tape them all down. And I can still get it in the, you know, 2 presses that we were already going to do. So that way I can make sure that it's going to line up exactly like I want to. Now I just put tape at the top. You don't have to do both sides, just enough to where it's going to lay flat and not shift. So I'm going to go ahead and get these 2 pieces and these 2 pieces. This time we're going the full time. So 340 for 30 seconds. So I'm going to set this on top and hit go. All right, we're going to scoot over and hit go. All right. With that. So now this is a cold peel, so you want to let this completely cool down, and then we'll peel those up. Now while that is still cooling down, so I still have the plastic on the front, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. You can do it whether you've peeled it off or it's still on there. Let's go ahead and go over the back for 15 seconds. We're going to go ahead and shut it down at this point. I'm going to flip it back over, and now I'm going to let it completely cool down. So you can move your mat out of the way and simply fan it or cool it down with something cold, like I said, like a cookie sheet, a cold glass, anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and peel it up now. Just like that. How cute is that? Now, how cute would this be with some pajama pants? Find some matching pink pajama pants, or you could find some that has little polka dots like this. Would be really, really cute. And you can make some adorable pajamas for Valentine's Day for that special little girl. How cute is that? But I think this would be cute for any age to wear this shirt. I think it's really, really cute. You guys can see how that little bit of shadow helps it pop and not just get washed away in the shirt. So any type of pattern on that you're using, if you're using a color that's similar, try to add a little bit of a shadow. And all you really simply have to do is duplicate the item and then expand it just a little bit, make it just a little bit bigger, and you can simply make a shadow for things like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.